Number 1. 1963 Studebaker Champ pickup, $8,500. Lufkin, Texas. This rare 1963 Studebaker Champ 480-ton pickup offers timeless mid-century styling paired with durable American engineering. Powered by a 259 cubic inch V8 producing 145 horsepower and a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives smoothly with new tires, battery, carburetor, and ignition system. The red paint and interior present well for its age, and essential lights work properly. Some minor electrical items like gauges and turn signals need attention, but it includes shop manuals and a replacement window. A solid, mostly restored Champ that's ready for weekend cruising or light restoration. Number 2. 1969 Ford F100, $9,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1969 Ford F100 captures the essence of Ford's golden pickup era. It's powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 paired with a modern 5-speed manual transmission for smoother driving. The body retains authentic patina with no filler work, while the interior is described as immaculate. Featuring wrapped headers, an aluminum radiator, and a 4-barrel carburetor, it blends originality with performance. A few small dents show character, and it drives exceptionally well. A clean, honest vintage Ford truck that's ready for road use or a 4x4 conversion. Number 3. 1960 Chevrolet C10 Apache, $3,365, Bighorn Basin, Wyoming. This 1960 Chevrolet C10 Apache is a solid Wyoming survivor ready for light restoration. It retains the dependable 235 inline-6 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. The body features the desirable cat-eye hood and grille exclusive to the 1960 model year. Finished in a metallic gold hue, it's mostly straight with minor rust and solid panels. The interior is complete, and it includes replacement front fenders and newer tires. Although not currently running, the engine turns easily, making it a great winter restoration project for vintage Chevy enthusiasts. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet pickup, $4,650. Los Angeles, California. This 1975 Chevrolet pickup presents an excellent project opportunity with minimal work needed. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs well but needs brake repairs to be fully roadworthy. The truck features new brake components, radiator hoses, and a rebuilt carburetor. Bodywork is mostly complete with new floor pans and green paint, nearly ready for finishing. With a cracked windshield and some minor trim issues, it's a great California project truck with solid bones and a clean title. Number 5. 1971 Datsun Nissan pickup, $2,100, Hollister, California. A rare find, this 1971 Datsun pickup represents one of the most durable small trucks of its era. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives great. The truck has new tires, a Bluetooth stereo, and is registered through August 2026. With a clean title and rust-free body, this little Datsun stands out as a reliable vintage commuter or work truck. These early Datsun models are increasingly collectible, especially in this well-preserved condition. Number 6. 1989 Ford Ranger, $2,500, Goleta, California. This 1989 Ford Ranger is a practical and dependable small pickup with 94,000 miles since its rebuilt engine. The automatic transmission was rebuilt in March 2025 and is under warranty until 2026. Other recent upgrades include a new catalytic converter, oxygen sensor, gaskets, and battery. The truck comes with dual toolboxes and a lumber rack, making it ideal for work use. It runs smoothly, showcasing the reliability Ford's Ranger line became known for in the late 1980s. Number 7. 1950 Ford F600 $6,000, Hermiston, Oregon. This 1950 Ford F600 represents post-war American truck design at its best. With a freshly rebuilt V8 engine, new interior, and red paint, it's in solid overall condition. These medium-duty Fords are known for their toughness and vintage appeal, often used for farm or industrial work. The odometer was reset after the rebuild, effectively making this truck nearly new mechanically. A great classic hauler for those who appreciate Ford's early heavy-duty craftsmanship. Number 8. 1969 Ford F500, $7,500, Pahrump, Nevada. This well-maintained 1969 Ford F500 truck features an industrial inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. Restored by a previous owner, it includes a 2,000-pound liftgate, new tires, and a stake-side removable bed. The truck starts and runs well, with the only issue being a non-functional fuel gauge. With classic car registration and clean title, this sturdy Ford is ready for work or shows, a great blend of utility and vintage charm. Number 9. 1968 Chevrolet C10, $10,000, Stockton, California. A true classic, this 1968 Chevrolet C10 long bed combines strong performance and vintage character. Now powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, it runs well and sounds excellent. The truck has a clean title, new engine installed roughly a decade ago, and appealing patina with custom touches. With its big window cab and timeless styling, this C10 is an ideal candidate for light restoration or weekend cruising. Number 10. 1967 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special, $8,000, Roseburg, Oregon. This 1967 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special features a new crate motor with only 15,000 miles, dual fuel tanks, and a long, wide bed. The truck runs and sounds great, offering classic Ford dependability in a black finish. These Ranger Camper Specials were built for hauling, featuring reinforced suspension and stylish trim. This example's strong mechanicals make it an excellent choice for collectors seeking a capable vintage Ford pickup. Number 11. 1979 GMC Sierra Classic Dually, $9,500, Aberdeen, South Dakota. This 1979 GMC C30 Sierra Classic Dually is a premium camper special trim example. Equipped with the original 454 V8 and Turbo 400 transmission, it has been well maintained with $7,000 in receipts for repairs and upgrades. The truck features dual fuel tanks, power windows and locks, tilt steering, and working air conditioning. With headers and dual exhaust, it runs strong and sounds great. A clean and powerful vintage GMC that's ready for towing or display. Number 12, 1976 Chevrolet K10 Shortbed, $8,500, Sonora, California. This 1976 Chevrolet K10 Shortbed offers a rugged 4x4 setup with a 9-inch lift and 4-speed manual transmission. The small block V8 runs well, though brakes need attention and tires are aged. With solid floors and minimal rust, it's a strong candidate for a light restoration or trail build. The K10's shortbed configuration and lifted stance make it a desirable and collectible classic Chevy truck. Number 13, 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, $500, Hope, British Columbia. This 1997 Dodge Ram 1500 is being sold for parts, featuring a rust-free body with only minor dings and a perfect spray-in bed liner. The interior is in excellent shape, though the 3.18 engine is blown and the automatic transmission's condition is unknown. For restorers or collectors looking for clean second-generation Ram parts, this truck offers exceptional body panels and interior components. Number 14, 1972 Ford F100, $8,900, Austin, Texas. This 1972 Ford F100 showcases a classic patina and dependable mechanicals. Powered by a 302 V8 Ford .30 over and mated to a C4 automatic transmission, it runs and drives great. With power steering and brakes, plus a list of recently replaced components, including radiator, heater core, and suspension parts, it's both reliable and stylish. A well-kept Texas truck with true vintage character, perfect for weekend drives or light restoration. Number 15, 1988 Dodge D150, $7,400, Cedar Park, Texas. This 1988 Dodge D150 is an all-original, two-owner truck with only 136,000 miles. Featuring the 318 V8 and factory Hall injection, it runs flawlessly after a full rebuild of the fuel system. The truck has new tires, steering components, brakes, and door seals, all in a bright yellow finish. With working air conditioning, power steering, and a Kenwood stereo, this D150 is a rare, smooth-running survivor from Dodge's classic pickup line. Number 16, 1949 Ford F1 pickup, $20,000, Boring, Oregon. This beautifully preserved 1949 Ford F1 has been lovingly owned for over 30 years. It runs and drives perfectly, offering smooth operation and great sound. These first-generation F-Series trucks are highly sought after for their rounded styling and dependable design. With clean title and excellent condition, this example represents a timeless piece of Ford history, ideal for collectors seeking a ready-to-drive classic.